Okay, my name is Mark Bannister. I own the farm here, and I have purchased a microFIT solar project from omniwatt, and we are in the process now, as you can see, of setting up for the pouring of the concrete into the sonotubes. We started yesterday morning, and we did the actual layout of the site to pinpoint all 12 of the tubes and where they will set. And very accurately done. Measurements are key, so you check and recheck and check again once more to make sure we're right. We then, after we had the 12 sites marked, augured them with a 24-inch by 8-foot auger bit that attaches to the little skid steer that you see down at the other end. All of the holes were excavated out with the auger. And then the auger was taken off the machine, a bucket like you see now was put on, and we were able to clean back the site so that we could set the sonotubes. Next weekend, as I mentioned, we will bring the soil grade up to elevation, 6 to 8 inches from the top of the tubes. We will then cover the surface of the ground around the arrays with a tight woven ground cover. And on top of the ground cover, we will place gravel or stone, and it will just keep the site pleasant to look at, so we don't have weeds and nasty stuff underneath of it. Okay, and what we see going on now in the background is the physical pouring of the concrete. They're filling their last tube, number 12 of 12. And this is the point in the day when we hope we don't run out of concrete. We hope there's enough on the truck, but if our calculations are right and we checked and double checked, they will be right. So we're very pleased to see this stage of the build coming to its completion. We will let this concrete cure for a good week or so, and a week from today we'll get these young fellows back and start our actual build of the array. So as I can see down at the end, we do have enough concrete. That's a very good thing. So we'll trowel now for a little while so that the tops of the tubes are all very nice and smooth, and we'll check them with our laser again to make sure everything is at grade. We can add or take away a little bit of concrete if need be, and I'm happy. I'm happy we've reached this point.